Hi guys, welcome to day 187 of the Philippine house build. Painters are here, still working the tile in the bathrooms. Both bathrooms actually is being worked on. Started digging for the fence around the property. Working on the roof and electrical. So lots going on. Let's get a weather check and see what we got going on with the house. So over by the mountains, beautiful day. Weather is nice, partly cloudy. Over by the transformer. So let's start over there. So the plan now is we're gonna take down just the two walls, this wall and the other wall, and we can dig the trench for the underground power wires and also our fiber for our cable. So that will be happening there. They did start in this area for the fence. So this is where this will be the corner of the fence. So they're digging the trench back that way. So that'll be that wall, and then the other wall will take off this way towards the camera. But they're going to start that way first, going back there. So they're currently bending the re-rod for the columns for the fence. So since we're going to be doing the fence, there they are working right there. They're digging the trench for it. So since we're going to be doing the fence, we needed to figure out where elevation was going to be. So we started at the garage. There's Eric, my roof guy. So we took the elevation at the carport floor, and we transferred that to this position on the wall right here. So there's two marks on the wall here and here. The top one is the grade of the elevation of the garage carport, and the lower line is a 6-inch drop. So I'm sorry, switch that around. The lower line is the carport. The upper line is the elevation here. So what we're going to do is, so from this point, this is roughly halfway from the front of the house to the back of the house. So what we're going to do is, this is going to be the high point here, and that will drop 6 inches from here to the driveway, and then from there the grade will follow the driveway, which is basically going to be a straight line from the carport floor down to the street. So this is going to be the high point. Everything will drain this direction from here, and then from here it'll drain this direction. So this is going to be the high point. Also, what we're going to do is we're going to do a drop of 12 inches. So the grade at the house, let me come over here. So the grade at the house will drop 12 inches to the wall. So the wall will be 12 inches lower than the house. So everything will drain away from the house, to the back of the house, to the front of the house. So nothing, we shouldn't have any water issues. So that's that. Here's the guys. This will be the fence here, going in there. We're going to, so the wall will have the same height across here. There will be a retaining wall roughly in that area right there. When it hits a retaining wall, the wall will drop 1 meter lower and then continue at the same height to the back of the property. Anyway, that's the plan right now. We'll see as we go if anything needs to change there, but I think that sounds like a pretty good plan. So that's that. So there's the fiber line there. And then I think this is CCTV cable here. And then also in this channel right here in the wall, the power line from the transformer will run up there too. So that's it over here. Nothing really new over here. Painters kicking ass. They're into the carport now with the skim coat. So doing a great job. Anybody's in the area and they need paint work, these guys don't mess around. They are hustlers. So carport's looking good. These will be recessed lights. There's 8 of them in the garage, 4 on this side, and then 4 on this side. So 4 over there and 4 on this side. I think that's about it for the carport. Dirty kitchen is all set up. So this is all set. They can start the front face and set the granite on top of that. Generator room. I don't really see anything new in here. That's our main distribution panel. That splits. We got 2 breaker panels in the pantry. And then that is a manual transfer switch for our standby generator. So that's it there. I did move this latch down and that one up. So everything works good now. Pretty happy with that. Close the door and then push down. Here. Push down like that. So I might not have the camera facing it, but basically you push down here and then to release it, turn that. Let me try that again. So push down here. There's locked. And then to release is that. And it pops back up. Okay, hold on a second. Go ahead.
Laboratory, all paint, right? The wall.
Sorry?
Nothing, any tiles there at the
Correct.
laboratory.
Yep, all paint. Finished. Yep. 3? That's all?
That's it.
Oh.
That's it.
I got 8 more. So if you need them, let me know.
That's probably sufficient. It's enough.
The 8? Plus the 8 or just the 4? Because I gave you 4.
Only 4 here?
I gave you 4, and then I got 8 more in the truck if you need them. So I bought 12 total.
That's enough.
Okay. All right. Do you want me to leave the other 8 here also? Or just let me know if you need them now.
It's okay to you to leave it here?
Yep. Okay. I'll put them in here. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna take expandable foam. We're spraying it. All the ridges. We're gonna spray the foam from the attic. Get up into the attic. We're gonna spray it because what's happening is when it rains, the ridge isn't real wide, and the rain is actually getting underneath, in between the ridge piece itself and the roofing panel. So our fix for that is we're gonna put spray expandable foam in there, close that off. So I bought 12 cans of that, so he'll be getting up there, or his work will be getting up there. Again, that's that'll be the countertop for the dirty kitchen. Piece of granite there. I don't think there's anything new in the water room. No, this is tile for the patio, and we did buy more adhesive for the tiles. Okay. So into the house. That's our 2 breaker panels. Window, and there's attic access right there. This door frame's all installed now. Previous video I told you that they installed it here, and it was actually wrong frame, so I had to bust it back out of that opening and put it in here. So next Wednesday, the door guy says he'll have this frame for us, and then also the frame for the front entry door. And again, the front entry door has a 36-inch wide door, side light on each side, and then a light transom above the door. Electrician is putting the recessed holes for the recessed lights in the kitchen. So there'll be one there, one there. You can see one there. They'll be adding a hole right here, so that makes a 4 right there. And then we will be doing one right here above the sink, back just a little bit, so the light, when you turn it on, doesn't go into your eyes. It'll actually go over the curtain. So that's that. We'll have 2 lights here, 1, 2 recessed lights right here for the front end. That's that. We had the Aircon guys here. We had them cement in their channeling that they had to do for the Aircon. That's it here. Hallway's looking good. It's nice to see everything in white now, and walls will be light gray. Ceiling's going to be white, but with the white in here, you can really start seeing the shapes of everything. Again, Aircon guys cemented over. So once that's set up, the painters can come back in here and do their skim coat. That's about it in here. So Shenrick's bedroom. Alright, so this is the main bath. So we're using the 50 by 50 on the wall. We got 2 marble shelves that are embedded into the wall right here. There's a center detail here, and it's the same center detail as this over here. And this will go all the way to the floor. We're gonna put the floor tiles in first, and then this last row gets put in after. So that's that. That's a shadow up there that you're seeing. So we haven't had any more leaks, so that's a good thing. We got two recessed lights in the shower, here, and then 2 more recessed lights out here, one there, one there. And then these 2 will be wall lights over the dual vanity sink, so there'll be 2 sinks here. Toilet will be over in this corner. The seat here, so this is a seat in the shower. We're going to take this black tile right here, this black tile, and we're going to, the side here, the first part of the side will have that rectangular, so it'll have a band of black on the sidewall, and then below that will be the white, and then that'll meet up with the floor. So that's it there. Pretty happy with the tile. It's looking great. Foreman's doing a great job. So that's it in here. Spare bedroom. Aircon people were here. They got their, they didn't have anything in here before, so looks like they got their wires and stuff in. That's good. Yeah, that's about it here. 6 recessed lights and 1 ceiling fan. Laundry room, attic access, 2 ceiling recessed lights here in the laundry room. That's about it in here. So we'll have a sink, we'll have base cabinets here over to about here. There will be a sink base right here. And then from here over to here, there'll be a broom closet. Yeah, I don't know, maybe from here to here. But the back of the broom closet in this corner will have this, this shape in the back of it. So it won't be full the whole way because of this column right here. And that's it there. Washer and dryer. There's a water hookup, hot and cold for the washer dryer, electrical for the washer and dryer. And that'll be for the exhaust for the dryer. That's it there. Master bedroom. We got eight recessed lights in here, and then a ceiling fan. Again, the aircon people closed up their hole there. That's all set. Okay, master bath. So we got the back wall almost complete. This will have also the 2 corner shelves here and 2 corner shelves over in this corner also. Same detail at the shower, the shower detail. And so both bathrooms will look exactly the same. So also this will have that band of black on the side of the seat here also. So this is all looking good. Like that. Walk-in closet. Sorry. Yeah, it looks like they mudded over that too. We can get the painters back in here once that's cured. It's a walk-in closet, attic access again, so there's 3 places to enter the attic. That's it there. Out onto the patio. This is where they're doing the tile cutting. Got 2 DeWalt angle grinders. Oh yeah, they don't use tile saws here. Everything is cut by hand with these angle grinders, which is pretty impressive. That's a pretty steady hand. I don't know if you've ever tried to use one of these. and try and cut straight lines. All right, and then the roof guys are putting the flashing over the gutters. I call it a beauty panel. The gutters are actually this. This is going to be just a beauty panel that covers everything. So that looks good. Sella and Eric.
Talking about the kids, you know.
Oh yeah.
Raising
Have kids, they said. It'd be fun, they said. Looks like they're out there planting today. Brought in all the rice plants, stalks, seedlings, whatever. Lots of chicklets over here, little baby chickens. Okay, so there's a little stream that borders the property back here. Goes from side to side. So what we want to do is we're going to build a cement wall that's going to protect my wall, or fence, I'll call it. They call it a fence. This is really a wall. So our concern is we don't want that little stream to wash out under the wall. So we're gonna block off that stream somewhere that direction, and it diverts it another way. So this will all dry up. So then we'll dig up here, the whole stream way down in, and we'll build out of cement a barrier retaining wall that will direct the water from one side to the other, and it won't allow the wall to be undercut by the water. Then they'll go back and open that back up and let this flow again. But the fence will follow this line, and we're trying to protect the fence. So again, there they are. That's the canopy for the guys to work, so they're out of the sun. Digging for the wall. And so there'll be a retaining wall that will hit one of the columns here. Yeah, that's actually that stake right there. So it'll come across here. It'll come towards a house of a radius, and then it'll head that direction and hit a column over there. So when it hits that column, so the top of the wall will be at a higher height, and then when it hits that retaining wall, because the land will drop 1 meter down and continue. So actually this will probably be where it's at. The land will come up 1 meter and then continue that way. But anyway, the top of the wall will also at that column drop down that 1 meter and then continue across. So we think that makes sense. This grade right here will be only for the carport area, and then once we get to that side of the carport area, we'll start dropping that off, and it'll drop down towards the fence. So water will drain that direction, water will drain that direction towards the back and out the wall. So that's it there. I don't think there's anything new at the front of the house, but let's go take a look. I think the guys are on break. Now might be a good time to get the guys paid then. Yeah, so nothing really new at the front anywhere. Everything's pretty much the same here. So that's it. That's the update. Today is Saturday, end of the week, end of the work week for these guys. We'll get them paid today. Painters get paid today. They get paid once a week. Workers get paid twice a week, Wednesday and Saturday. So as far as the channel, still seems to be growing. Thank you everybody for all the comments and subscribing. Do appreciate it. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the like button. And if you do have any comments, feel free. Questions, statements, insults, compliments, whatever you want. I don't care. Anyway, that's all I got. Everybody have a good weekend. I am from Michigan, just north of Detroit, northern suburbs of Detroit. So Lions are the #1 seed. They got their game. I don't know the time frame. Let's see. I think it's tomorrow. I know the Philippines here. It's 9 a.m. on Saturday morning, so it'll be nice. Wake up. I think the Chiefs game's at 5 a.m. here Sunday morning here in the Philippines. So I will probably catch a little bit of that game, and then definitely watch my Lions and see what happens. So. Playing Washington Commanders, so should be a good game. Calling for the Lions to win. I think they'll win, so we'll see what happens there. Anyway, thank you everybody, and we will talk to you in a few days with updates. And that's it. Okay, we out. Talk to you later. Bye.